Happy Thursday. Let's plan out our week together. I'm a dietitian, a mom of two, and I work from home, and I'm very type A. I love my routines, I love my systems, and I love my habits, and this is everything I have to get done every single week to stay on top of it all. Every Thursday, I take about 30 minutes to 1 hour to plan out my upcoming week. That includes my weekly meal plan, my grocery list, weekly self-care. So this is the planner I use, and I actually created this planner because it takes all of these different important pieces of my life and it puts it all in one spot. It takes everything that's floating around in my head and turns it into a plan I can actually follow. This is gonna be next year's cover. It is a gorgeous red croc leather. I love it and I cannot wait for 2027 so I can start using this. So if you want the red croc leather one, make sure you're on the wait list because they sell out really quickly. So every Thursday I sit down and I fill out the weekly overview section. Every daily planner has a weekly overview section. This includes a bird's eye view of the upcoming week where you write out your top 3 priorities of the week, daily overview, weekly to-dos, weekly self-care that you can plan out here, a weekly meal plan including protein and fiber checklist, also a grocery list, and your weekly workouts. I created my daily planner with both a weekly overview and daily pages because I personally need both. The weekly overview gives me a bird's eye view of what's ahead, and then each night I use the daily page to turn that bigger picture into a focused, actionable plan for tomorrow. So something that I know already that's coming up is starting Tuesday, I'm going back to the gym to work out with a personal trainer 3 times a week, 5 a.m. So I'm gonna schedule it in gym at 5 a.m. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Now I wanna look at my kids' school schedule just to make sure that they don't have they have no school on Friday. My son has a physical therapy appointment on Monday. The kids have music class on Tuesday. On Thursday, I have my laser hair removal appointment and brow appointment. And something else I'm actually going to start doing is going to a new gym class on Saturday mornings at 6 a.m. So I'm gonna write that down. So now I see what time blocks are filled for the week so I can work around that depending on my other priorities I want to get done. The first thing I want to do for work is I want to post 3 videos. I need to send 2 newsletter briefs. And the third priority of the week is I want to make sure that international shipping is all set and done and verified before launch day of the planners, which is September 15th. Now that I have the top 3 priorities written out and I have a bird's eye view of the upcoming schedule, I can slot those top 3 priorities in wherever I have openings. Now I have all the appointments and all the priorities scheduled and filled in for the week. Now I have a little section called the weekly to-dos, and this is going to be for any lesser important but still important things that you want done, but they're not like urgent or anything like that. So 1, I need to actually change all of our bed sheets. My son wants new shoes, so I want to take him to get new shoes. Something I also like to add in this section is just what I'm thinking about making for Meal Prep Sunday. I flipped the camera so you guys can see better, and now I'm going to fill out my weekly self-care. Okay, now I'm going to fill out the weekly meal plan, the groceries, and the weekly workouts. Now that I have my weekly overview done, I'm also going to just go ahead and plan out my tomorrow since I'm already here. So tomorrow is Friday the 28th. And now I know exactly what I'm doing tomorrow and all the priorities that need to get done. And if you're not a daily person, there's also going to be a weekly planner. You get a weekly overview with the top 3 priorities, weekly self-care, weekly workouts, focus area A, focus area B, your grocery list, which is perforated. You flip it over and then you have the weekly meal plan. This is also perforated, so you get to take this with you, and your errands to run. So this is perforated, and then your weekly meal plan with a protein and fiber checklist, a reflection section, and a notes section. 2027 planners launch September 15th. This is the only inventory I made, so once they're gone, they're gone.